channel. Y'all know who it is. It's the Glam Princess. And today, y'all, I am going to make a 2-tiered tray, and we are going to be using items that I already have. So this is a stand that I purchased, and it's so gorgeous. And I think I got this from, I think it was Ross, and it was only $5.99. So it was really, really cute. And we're gonna use this Lazy Susan. I got this from DD's. It was $3.99. We're gonna use this large mirror, 16-inch. I got that from efavormart.com. And also we're gonna use, I think it's a 12 or 14-inch. We're gonna use that, and I got that from Michael's. We're also gonna use these gems that I have purchased from Dollar Tree and glue gun glue sticks. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our mirror, we're gonna glue this mirror to this Lazy Susan. Okay, Glam fam, so this is how our tray turned out. Y'all, it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it. It was really simple to make, but yet it adds a lot of glam to any place that you would want to put it, in the kitchen or the bathroom. You can use it for storing your Bath and Body Works collection, your perfumes, your makeup, anything like that. Or you can take it into the kitchen, and it can be like a dessert tray or anything like that. Y'all, I love it. But let me just tell y'all know I am trying to get healthy, And you know, with everything that has been going on in my family, health is like one of my biggest priorities right now. So y'all, these are some of the anytime I find out something, I want to share with y'all. Like, I don't know how many people I'm about to be 50 in January, so I need to really take care of myself. So I've been taking this sea moss, Smith's sea moss, turmeric, bioperine, garlic, and ginger, and this apple cider vinegar gummies. Now I do take other things, but these right here, I've been taking them for a while. The Smith's apple cider vinegar gummies, I took those when I had COVID, and I can truly say that that was one of the things that, you know, I feel like helped me. But these are sold on Amazon. I use a few other things because y'all, I do have diabetes, so I'm really trying to control my blood sugar levels. I'm experiencing some kind of pain, and it's, you know, it's just, you know, too much. So I don't want to, you know, get into the diabetic thing or whatever, but I do want you all to know that, you know, there are some things that can help aid in your health, you getting healthy. And if y'all know some things, like, put it in the comments and let me know, because I am truly trying to get healthy in 2022, y'all. So anyway, I hope y'all didn't mind that I added all of this to it. But I'm gonna put these products down in the description box. And like I said, the link, at least in the description box, because you can't get these from Amazon. And I don't know if they got a sale going on, but I'm pretty much stocked on these, because I like order, they have it to where you can, you know, like reorder. Amazon knows when you're running out of an item, and they will alert you, and then you can, you know, get it like that or whatever. But anyway, I hope you all like what you see, and if you do, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more Glam DIYs.
Thought I knew the red and it flipped. How many times did I ask about this? Oh God, why you let me find it like this? Oh God.